looking back and you can see, but there's the ghost still up there. Now we're gonna get on to our new inflatable. Right now, remember, subscribe, hit the notification button when it comes up. Make sure to go check out this video I just posted. It's the one before this one. Make sure to go watch that. And if you haven't watched that, this is a new inflatable we got. It's 12 foot tall, pumpkin scrooge. We're gonna open them up. And it's got the extra box. Open them up. Okay. It's got another box on the inside. I think this guy does have a big base fan because I can see the plug. Okay. Open them up. Okay. Here's my new inflatable. And it does have the plug with the fuse. So I think it might have a base fan. Well, we'll see. Remember, subscribe, hit the notification button. Wait a minute, is that the base fan? And there's that. It does have a base fan. I thought it would. And we're gonna undo them. I don't want to lose this. Oh, and here are the stakes. Check out these stakes that they came with. Really cool. And this guy's gonna be really big. Just found the base fan. So what you need to do is you see these feet. These are attached. And I already found the zipper closed. I'm happy it does have a base fan though. Oh, and here's its base. It's got this material. I'm really happy with it actually. Oh, and the buttons. There's that material. So what you need to do, it's gonna be hard with one hand. Okay. See, it has big base fan. I'm happy it has one. So go like that, and keep doing all four. And then it's hard to do with one camera. Then you're gonna lay it down like that. Can't do it, so I'm gonna show you in that style. You probably know what I mean. Hope you do know what I mean. Okay. I am happy it has a base fan. Now I'm gonna put it down like that. Oh, instructions. Who needs the instructions? Well, some people do, but not me. And you look pretty familiar to my 4-foot reaper. Okay, this guy's really tall. And this does have the outlet that has the fuse. It has a fuse in it, I think. With the white one's the fuse. It does have its fuse in it. I'm really excited. This guy's supposed to be 12 feet. They also had another one that was 9.5 feet, and it was a flat pumpkin. He was pretty cool too, but it's the last that was on display. Oh, wait a minute. First I have to tie on this thing to get the rope ready together. Okay, here he is. And I'm happy this Halloween inflatable has a base fan. I'm just gonna tie this guy right here. just so the inflatable. I'm already really sweaty. It's because it's really hot for some reason. See what the base, and I've heard that some base fans have a different look to them, but this one just has, this is a big base fan. We're gonna plug him on, and hopefully he turns on. This guy looks pretty new to me. Oh, I'm scared. Ready? 3, 2, 1. On in. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it just turned on. Ready? It's gonna unroll him very quickly. Oh, it's gonna do the hands. And I've heard that some pulpit labels look color, but we're gonna find out if this reaches the ghost. So far, bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I'm gonna plug him in and see if he works. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And he works! And the base fan is doing its job. So it goes a lot faster than the slow man. Right in the new one table. Whoa! Whoa! This guy's huge. Oh no! I'm just gonna get this guy tethered to show you what he looks like. I'm gonna use these big stakes that came with. Alright, I'm back. I didn't decide to tether him down, but he isn't. The base end's pretty supportive. And I attached these. They're the exact same height, I think. But he is staying because he has that big base fan underneath it, so it's pretty supportive. The ghost might actually be taller a little bit. You know what? I think we're the same height. Oh no! Ah! He's really cool. He's so big. Compared to my inflatable. And this is, if you're wondering where I got him, we got him at Walmart. Bigger than I thought. He's a lot bigger than I thought. They're close to the same height. So in a couple of weeks, we're gonna set him up, and I'll show you on display. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. Bye. Peace out.